Hi guys, how you guys doing? Good evening. This is evening in Nigeria, by the way. Okay. Today is Tuesday. I didn't go to work because the governor said we should stay back home and go and collect our PVC. Yesterday, being Monday, we didn't go out again because the IPOP members wouldn't allow us to move. So today I didn't go out. So husbandman was going out and I hadn't any soup and he likes swallow. So I told him to help us and get few things so that I can prepare a little soup at least between now and probably Saturday. Okay, so when I'll stock up my fridge. So and he was magnanimous enough to go to the market. The only thing missing is that he condiments for Ogbono Soup, by the way. But instead of buying bitter leaf, he went and bought ogo, that's pumpkin leaf. So I have what is it called, bitter leaf in the freezer, but I don't think I want to use it so that what he bought will not get messy. So I'm going to use the ugu leaf, that's the pumpkin leaf, like that. All right. So I want you guys to join me. I'm already in my kitchen. This is my kitchen. So I'll just show you guys the ingredients. And there we go. By the way, forgive me, I'm on short hair. So I've not weaved my hair. So I had to use my black wig cap to cover some things. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients, then we do the cooking together. All right, so ciao. So guys, this is my ingredients. The stockfish is here. This is stockfish head with the ear so that we'll get some meat from it. And this is called stockfish. This is singe. We call it singe in Nigeria, also known as wild catfish, not the one you breathe at home. Okay, so the taste is different. This is periwinkles, known as isam. So I have the blended ogbono, okay, and you have the beef, and if you see one small thing, tiny thing in a wrap, that is the ogiri. Okay, it's one of the our local spices, okay, in Africa. I think in Africa or in Nigeria, I wouldn't know, but usually the Eastern people are the ones that use it. So you have the green veggie, which is a pumpkin. All right, so right now we've washed the meat, added the onion, added no cube. I'm about washing. Use hot water to wash the stockfish head just to make sure that it is very clean. You don't use cold water. Okay, so I'm trying to soak it a little bit, then wash it off. Okay, right now I'm done and I've put it inside the pot. I've added my blended pepper. I've added my oporo. Okay, you can use crayfish, but I love the oporo taste. Okay, right now, as you can look at the pot now, you see that there's the water coming out from the meat. You don't add water to your meat when you want to have that perfect taste. All right, so now that is done, the water is completely dried up into the meat. Okay, of course it will bring out water and then dry up. That will give you the perfect taste. Right now I'm putting my wild catfish. Okay, you know, you don't put it first so you don't lose everything inside the water. So I'm adding it after washing it with salt. Okay, I will turn it and then add water. That water is what will form the meat stock for the soup. All right, so right now I'm pouring the water. Okay, added water to this stock, to my meat. So this is the stock. I'm going to add extra water because yes, I noticed that the water wasn't much. Okay, all right, so then after this I will allow to cook for a maximum of 10 to 15 minutes. All right, then right now I want to shred my vegetable. I had washed it. Okay, so I'm shredding it. Yeah, see, this vegetable is the bone. is so beautiful, so fresh, so neat. Okay, so green. Right, so right now this is the stock, so I'm going to pour it out, pour it into a bowl, because my meat is properly cooked, my fish, my stock fish, everything is completely cooked. So I will empty it into the bowl and then put the pot on the fire. Right now this is the pot on the fire. It has dried up. I'm going to add my palm oil. Make sure you add the quantity that will not be small, neither will it be too much for the soup, right? So, and don't bleach it. You're not bleaching, you're just allowing it to heat up just a bit. Then I'm going to add my ogbono into the pot. Exactly. One would ask, why do it that way? This is a method, use this method, one, to dissolve the ogbono, okay, the ogbono seed, so that while you're eating you wouldn't get lumps. So this is the easiest way to do it. I've added the ogiri, okay, to it. So I'll use this method to dissolve both completely. So you can look at it now, you see that, yeah, it is dissolved at this point. Okay, I love wooden spoon. Okay, I love it because, one, I don't like plastics. I love wooden. It helps. It doesn't make it difficult for you to turn, and of course it doesn't also scratch the bottom of the pot. So but right now I've added my stock, so we are ready. In the next few minutes this soup will be completely done. All right, so I want to rinse it out because not everything came out, and still add the water into the soup. This is it. This is it. Okay, you turn, okay, and then you close it and allow to boil for a few minutes. Alright, so here is our soup. So I've added a no cube. Okay. Yeah, I'm also going to add salt to taste, and then a little of my oporo. You can use crayfish, okay, but I like my oporo, okay, because just a little makes all the difference. This is my soup. I just like it this way. I don't like too thick and I don't like too light. Remember, we're using vegetable, and the vegetable will still release its own water into the soup, making it even a little more lighter than it is at this point. Okay, so we're going to add our periwinkle. Okay, salt to taste. That's it.
No, it's not from the bitter leaf.
Alright.
I know. But 230 here. You see, you
so
want
adding our stuff. Our periwinkle will go in.
Okay, now.
The soup is so, it looks so yummy. Okay, so this is our periwinkle going into the fire. I don't like putting periwinkle early, so as not to lose the nutrients. So I add it just at the time I'm adding the vegetable. Don't allow it to stay on the fire.
But I don't know what
the
big brother is using on that fish.
Okay.
I don't know what I use.
So we've added that. We're going to turn until it mixes completely into the soup. Isn't this so beautiful? This is good. This is so good. Give me this is so good. So I'm going to add our vegetable right away. Our vegetable is going into the pot. My God!
Hold it.
Look at that.
Greenish.
Look at that. Oh God.
Oh, this thing is light greenish.
It is so fresh, so green, so fresh. Ah, I don't know what I was doing. I didn't know that I had turned my phone this way, but thank God at least you can see it. This is the final look, baby girl. Soup. Guys, we're done. We're done with the food. So it was cool staying with you guys. You guys are the real bond. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, if you're yet to like, please drop your comments. I'll be glad. I want to come and, have some conversation with you, alright? Thank you for staying with me. I am so grateful. Thank you. God bless you real good. Bye for now.